What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, and you see what we have here. This is going to be the first shoot with the Z7ii 35mm on location with Miss Bree. Come on, you want to tell them hi?
Hi.
So where can they find you at?
What, social media?
Social media, yeah.
Baby Bree 27 on Instagram.
Okay, so
that's it.
That's it.
Yep.
So I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner, and I might have to throw on some boots or something. You know, she looking kind of trying to get a little tall on me, but so we are going to do a one light setup, probably some natural shots. Also, I forgot my adapter for my light, so I can't use my C-stand. So if y'all see some Jimmy rigging in this video, just know that I'm making it work however I have to make it work. So you ready? Let's do it. I want you to give me a ball. That's perfect right there. All right, stand strong pose like that. All right, and we're gonna hold that right there, all right? What I want you to do is I want you to actually lean, put one hand on your hip. Yeah, and lean to the side. Yeah, can you bring like one leg out a little bit? Yeah, and give me like a real diva stance. Okay. Yeah. Real, your best diva stance, all right? That's our best diva stance? No, I'm just saying, I'm just making sure. Okay. So we got our best. Give me a little bit more lean with it. Yeah, like a little bit more size. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, okay. Okay. So we're gonna get that angle right there. And I'm loving this orientation, this architecture. Bree is coming through. All right, so we're gonna get this shot right here. So that right hand, I want you to reach out a little bit further. Almost like, no, you can keep it on there, but just kind of like reach out, like you kind of like.
With this hand?
Yeah, with that hand. It might feel a little awkward, but yeah, just add some edge.
Let me know if I'm doing it right.
Yeah, no, that's perfect, that's perfect. A second to just say how Bree is out here making it happen. How you feel? Good. You feel good? How you like the pictures?
They're amazing.
Even though, see, they can't see because I'm recording on this computer. I mean, wow. I'm recording on this camera, but I'm literally holding the flash with one hand, right? And taking the pictures. So this autofocus is coming in handy right now because I literally forgot my S2 mount to put my AD300 in. So let's get back to it. We got this is fire, y'all. So let's go to this one right there. Yeah, and put your back to it. Yeah, and I want you to put your arm up and kind of like fall onto it. Perfect. So when you put that right hand up, let's see if you actually can put it on that pole. Yeah. Yeah, we don't want you getting bit up or nothing like that. Yeah, perfect.
right now?
All right, so yeah, let's get into this your favorite pose? All right, let's make it work. Okay, you got the Meg the Stallion. Oh, so she about to stay. Okay. Bree ain't come to play. All right, so let's make this work. You ready? All right. So what I want you to do.
This is hard.
Yeah, so, and I want you to kind of like lean on your side. So and kind of like face that. Like have your hands like kind of on the rail.
Okay, I got turned on.
Yeah. And then we're gonna get something like that. So then that should work. All right, so I'm loving this scenery right here, guys. So we got this nice river type background. So I'm gonna place her against that and we are about to get an amazing shot. So you ready? Okay, how you feel about the picture so far? Good? All right, bet. Yes, right there, that right there. There we go, okay. All right.
Try to do like the model walk, but like you do like that.
Yeah, like that. And put your hands on your hip.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Let me see you walk, 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 walk.